highlights. Today is a big day, at least I hope so. Kevin Charles John put some oil in the gearbox, and there is some oil in the diff, and I really hope that she will go out from the workshop on her own wheels. I don't know why the car is fitted like this. Also, you can ask Kevin Charles John. So the first drive will be in reverse, but that's I think normal. Let me tell you a few things. So the lights are totally refurbished, the brackets and all the mechanisms. Now whoever do that can fit angle up, down, left, right. That's done. The bumper is on. We try to save original number plates. They were wrecked totally. So Kevin and me, Kevin made brackets. I gave some effort to refurbish this, polish. All these lights are washed, polished, fitted on the place. They are working, we tried that. They are still disconnected. You can see that in the next video. There is still plenty of things to be done on the car, but she's running, and we will see now can she go out on her own wheels. These tail lights, they are old. They are not new, but we polished them because there is some patina over there. We can change them. But the owner says that he's happy with the old ones, and we gave them just fresh shine and new rubbers, new sealants or whatever. Also the white bumper. Some of the viewers says that this bumper should be chrome or not. The beauty is in the eye of the observer, so it'll stay like that. Locks and other things, they are old, and I'm gonna put them on the car as they are, and they'll do the job. Later, if something goes wrong, we always can change them. But now it's time. Maybe you can record under the car a bit. So everything is brand new, exhaust is there, shaft diff, yeah, we shake it a lot, and he said, yeah, it's grand, that will do it. So I think that it's time for Kevin to say a few words about this car, because honestly, I'm sick of it. Kevin Charles, Kevin Charles, Kevin Charles, it's your time.
So everything's been fixed on this now. Like Boris said, everything's all new. Engines, like I said in one of the videos before, engines are all brand new. It's got new liners, pistons, all the shells are done. Yeah, everything's done, so there's not a lot more to say. It's just, yeah, it's a lovely little car. Boris doesn't like it because it's an Anglia, because he doesn't like old cars, even though he works on them. But yeah, she's a cracking little car. There's still a few bits and bobs to do. We still have to fit the windows. I still have to weld the rear windows and the quarter lights in the front. Yeah, she's lovely. It's all brand new carpets and seat covers, and it's going to be a cracking little car when she's finished. Well, she's nearly finished anyway, so yeah. So that's about it. It was just a final thing Boris wanted me to say, so I didn't want to. Yeah, I'll try and take it for a spin, see if she goes, and like she hasn't been, oh Jesus, she hasn't been driven yet, so she starts up. I stuck it in gear when she was on the lift, and she's spinning, the clutch is working, brakes are working-ish, just need a little bit of adjusting. Yeah, so we'll see how she goes now.
Moment of truth. Stop piloti meću na svoje avione. So far so good. Stara kuća, mala bašta i u njoj
Jugo 45.
Can you spin the wheels? Can you try it?
No.
Go reverse and try it.
Kažu da su čuda svijeta, piramide afričke. Kažu da su čuda svijeta, velike rijeke Indije. Al nijedno čudo nije bilo ravno onome kad je stariju parkirao u Bašću, jugu 45.